Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm going to do a technique that I haven't done in a while. I dubbed it the tornado pour. I'm sure it has probably a more official name. And I'm using some leftover paint in here. So this is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics plus some Arteza paints in there. And I'm just going to add some more paint to this. And definitely check out the description for my paint ratios and mixtures. So I put that all down in there. I'm going to keep this, I think, pretty light. I don't even think I have some black mixed up, so we're not going to get any black in here. No black. It's going to be pretty much white, blue, and yellow. Down in the paint, though, there is some purple and other colors. But yeah, it'll be pretty light painting. I do just a tiny bit of this purple left. Let's try to put that in here. Okay. Alright, so this is essentially a traveling tree ring, which for anyone who hasn't done that, you're going to just start in one spot and then move across the canvas, as opposed to with a regular tree ring, you generally just do it in the middle. And with this one specifically, I'm going to just move directly across the middle of the canvas. And you always want to make sure you leave a little bit of paint in your cup, because at the end here, I'm going to go back through the middle with just a little bit of paint. And you can go all the way through or stop at some point. I'm going to stop at this point. Right now it looks like a unicorn horn. And then we just stretch it out. I usually like to do this on a smaller, like a skinnier canvas. But this should do. This is an 11 by 14 canvas. I don't think we're going to end up with quite the tornado effect, but it'll still be kind of cool. Now I'm going to see if I can stretch this kind of all the way across here. Well, that's just interesting. That is definitely no longer a tornado. And I'm not sure how I feel about it. But it is what it is. It's still showing you this interesting kind of technique. And when done correctly, you can get some really awesome results. I'm kind of digging this, though. It's very interesting. And I like how this is, this paint in here is like kind of transparent. So it definitely seems like really light. Let's go ahead and we will do our close-up. So here's the lower right-hand corner. And you can see the difference between this paint, which is just the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, and this paint, which is the Arteza Metallics. And it has that cool, like, transparent kind of look, and it's all metallic in there. So coming up here to the upper right-hand corner, and going over here to the upper left-hand corner, it definitely mixed in a very interesting way right there. And then down to the lower left-hand corner. And I think my favorite thing about this is this, these little lines going through here. These little like green, teal kind of lines. They're just like really interesting. Yeah. And there you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was definitely a fun use of these leftover paints and kind of mixing up this technique a little bit. I really like it. And definitely check out the description for all of the materials used and my mixing ratios, because that's the most common question asked, is how do I mix my paints? So that's down in the description. And otherwise, I will see you guys next time.